Hello everyone, and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice. And today let's learn breakfast vocabulary. Let's start. Good morning, Mom. Hi, honey. What have we got for breakfast today? Have we got scrambled eggs? No, we haven't. Have we got fried eggs? No, we haven't. Have we got bacon? No, we haven't. Have we got sausages? No, we haven't. Have we got toast with honey? No, we haven't. Have we got beans on the toast? No, we haven't. Have we got donut? No, we haven't. Have we got pancakes? Yes, we've got pancakes for breakfast today. Have we got water? No, we haven't. Have we got orange juice? No, we haven't. Have we got fruit juice? No, we haven't. Have we got milk? Yes, we've got milk. We've got pancakes and milk for breakfast today. Yummy! Now let's repeat the vocabulary. Repeat after me. Scramble egg. Scramble egg. Scramble egg. Fried eggs. Fried eggs. Fried eggs. Bacon. 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 Sausages. 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 Toast with honey. Toast with honey. Toast with honey. Beans on a toast. Beans on a toast. Beans on a toast. Donut. 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 Pancakes. 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 A glass of water. A glass of water. A glass of water. A glass of orange juice. A glass of orange juice. A glass of orange juice. A jar of fruit juice. A jar of fruit juice. A jar of fruit juice. A glass of milk. A glass of milk. A glass of milk. Excellent! Good job! I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe, and keep on watching.